right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday to you all. It is Friday Eve. It is the 2nd of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are staying healthy, taking long walks with the fam bam, running, I'm getting faster. That's cool. And college wear. Yesterday was college wear day. I'm wearing college wear again today. Go Cal Poly. Remember to submit your own good things on the attendance form that you get each morning from me, and make sure that you're filling out that attendance form. Most of you have been great about that. Please keep that up if you have. A few of you will be getting calls from people saying, hey, why aren't you checking in with your teacher or teachers? So make sure you're filling out that attendance form each day when you get it. I set it up at the start of the week. It should come to you at 8 o'clock every morning. First thing we'll talk about today is the fact that yesterday there were announcements from everybody, like the government and the state superintendent of education and the superintendent of Tustin Unified. We are not physically going to go to school for the rest of the year. Which, I don't know, maybe some of you jumped up and down when you heard that. Maybe some of you were really sad when you heard that. I don't have any more information about things like 8th grade promotion or all the other things that go on at the end of the year. A lot of that's kind of up in the air. Maybe we'll find a way to do some of those big things. Maybe we won't. So it's both kind of an exciting thing, right? And kind of a sad thing. Kind of a scary thing, right? That's kind of talking about how serious this whole epidemic is. So, wow, it's a big deal. So let it sink in. You don't need to be super duper scared. You should let that feeling translate into action and make sure that when you are out and about, you're being safe. You're maintaining that 6-foot, social distancing. When you get back home, you're making sure that you wash your hands thoroughly. Mrs. Bruner makes me change clothes every time I come home from going out to the store or whatnot. She hasn't left the house in a long time. But make sure you're being safe. Take this seriously. If you're being safe, you don't have to be that scared. So take care of yourselves. Anyway. As far as work for today, I would like you to do 1 page of perfect Cornell notes. I'll send out an assignment link on Google Classroom along with this video today. You'll get it at about 8 o'clock. But I hope that you're doing reading, and for both social studies and language arts, I would like you to do 1 perfect page of Cornell notes, take a photo of it, and submit that to me by tomorrow. And when I say a perfect page of Cornell notes, I mean you not only have that right-hand column full of good information and details and all the content from that video or section of reading or whatever it is that you are writing about, but you also have the questions in the left-hand column and a good summary. And my battery is going to die soon, so I hope it doesn't before I finish this video, but let me finish up quickly. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and I'll refer to this in tomorrow's video tomorrow morning as well, but we're going to do a class meet at 2 o'clock. Everybody who has Avid with me can show up in this meeting, and it's not academic at all. It's just to hang out, see each other's faces, and get a little bit of that social element that we will be lacking from school for the next, 2 months. So tomorrow, 2 o'clock, class meet here on Google. I will send you the link to it just a few minutes before 2 o'clock tomorrow. So there it is. Stay safe. Do 1 perfect page of Cornell notes for me. That assignment will come to you in Google Classroom in just a little while. And I've talked about Max a lot this year. Here's Max. Can you see him? Wait. Let me get closer. There he is. So that's Max, ladies and gentlemen. I've talked about him a lot this year. That's Max. Anyway, have a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.